we're all scared of missing out. We have that fear. Oh, it's bounced at this certain area. I need to get in. What if I miss this move? But the market don't stop moving. There's so many opportunities. There's so many indexes, there's so many stocks, there's commodities, there's forex. You will always find something. And if you don't have that fear of missing out, and don't force, there's so many times I'm talking about all the things I've done myself. Don't force a trade. You might actually not have put that trade on. And it's hard to wait a week. Yes, it is. But a week later, you might find a trade that's 10 times better than that trade. But you won't get into that trade now. And you won't even see that trade because you've now forced this trade because you're fear of missing out. And patience is such a key, Jeremy. Just being patient can make you so much more money. Because if you've got into this bad trade and you forced it, and now, like, as we were speaking about earlier, about moving stops, you're now so stuck in this one trade and you're praying it's going to turn around for you, that you're missing everything else that's going on in the market. And there isn't just one index to trade, or one commodity, or one forex pair, or even one stock. There's so many out there. So you're never going to miss out. I was scared of missing out on Tesla a little while back, and I got into it all wrong because it was on a rally. Then it dumped off, came back to, from, I think it was 210, it came back to 150. And now we're up above 260. So had I just waited, I could have bought it much lower and caught this rally. And this rally hasn't really stopped, to be honest.